everyone, welcome to another episode of Ask the Expert. My name is Adi Stein. I'm Azure Developers go-to-market in Middle East and Africa. And today we're going to discuss about Azure Container Apps. And in each episode, as you know, we have 25 seconds to answer the questions by our expert. So today it's my true pleasure to introduce to you Erez. Hi Erez.
Hi Adi, how are you? Happy to be here.
Great. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Yeah, sure. So again, my name is Erez. I'm an Azure Application Innovation Specialist here at Microsoft Israel, supporting the Israeli customers. And a little bit about myself. My favorite gadget probably going to be an Xbox, as I like to play video games.
And we're going to discuss today about Azure Container Apps. You're going to have 25 seconds to answer the questions. Are you ready?
Sure I am.
What is Azure Container Apps?
Well, happy you asked. So Azure Container Apps is a fully managed service that lets developers build and deploy containerized applications without having to worry about infrastructure management. So Azure Container Apps Services provides a quick and easy way to deploy and run containerized application with built-in security, scalability, and availability. Few clicks is all you need in order to deploy your application to Azure with Azure Container Apps.
Sounds good. Who is using that service?
Well, Azure Container Apps is intended mainly for developers that don't want to worry about managing their infrastructure like Kubernetes, okay? When they are deploying containerized application, it is a serverless platform that enables you to run microservices and containerized applications. It is commonly used for deploy API endpoints, host background application, enable event-driven processing, and even run full end-to-end microservice applications.
How scaling does in Container Apps?
In Azure Container Apps, horizontal autoscaling is managed by Keda, which is an open-source, event-driven autoscaler that uses a declarative scaling rule. By default, Azure Container App scales to 0 and post-billing when not in use. A Container App scales out by creating new instances as needed.
What's the easiest way to get started?
Well, for developers, the easiest way probably going to be to use the Azure CLI. You can go from code to cloud in a single command. The command AZ Container App will create a container directly out of your code. All you need to do is point it to your repo, and you don't even need to have even a Docker file. It will create a container out of your code, will push it to Azure Container Registry, and create the container applications for you.
Thank you so much, Erez. I'm going to run and deploy my application right now to the container. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
So if you want to learn more or try now, go to this QR code to learn about Azure Container Apps. And if you want to join our developers community, don't hesitate to scan this QR code right away. Bye. See you in the next one.